I gave a handout in our meditation center or practice center in Atlanta recently. It wasn't anything to do with Thich Nhat Hanh, it was somebody else. But he said this: that awareness is about looking at the volume of poison that exists before us and being aware that that is really dangerous stuff. Whether you call it a nuclear capacity, whether you call it hatefulness, or whether you call it a kind of addicted brokenness, whether you call it deep, deep unconfidence in your life, or you call it illness. Awareness is really focusing on that fact. And it surprised me so much because I wanted awareness to be how nice the blossoms are on that palm tree or that pine tree or whatever. No, this is awareness. And the second aspect of awareness, when you talk about consciousness of consciousness of consciousness, they don't talk about it that way, but the thing is presence. The second thing is, I choose to be present to this. And you could say this is suffering, and I choose to be present to suffering. I choose to be present to suffering. I know if I participate in that suffering, I'm committing suicide. But I stand present to it. Not just as an observer, but I see that and I am transformed by my presence. I am transfixed. I am united in a contemplative way with this reality. And the chemistry of this awareness, one, and the presence to this awareness generates my compassion. I now see things I was never ever willing to see that are the good in the way it really is.